Homeowners in Taylor, MI know how important it is to choose windows that can handle changing seasons while still adding comfort, beauty, and value to their homes. Slider windows have become a popular choice for many local residences, thanks to their practical design and modern appeal. Whether you're upgrading older windows or building a new home, installing slider windows can offer a wide range of benefits tailored to the needs of Taylor homeowners. Smooth operation and everyday convenience. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is how easy they are to use. Unlike traditional windows that open up or down, slider windows move horizontally along a smooth track. This makes them especially convenient for daily use, allowing homeowners of all ages to open and close them effortlessly. In Taylor homes, slider windows are often installed in spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens where accessibility matters. Their simple operation makes them a great option above countertops, furniture, or in hard-to-reach areas where lifting a window would be inconvenient. Excellent ventilation for seasonal comfort. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, especially during Michigan's warmer months. Slider windows provide wide openings that allow fresh air to circulate freely throughout your home. With one or both panels opening, homeowners can enjoy improved ventilation without sacrificing security. For Taylor residents who enjoy airing out their homes in spring and summer, slider windows help reduce indoor stuffiness and promote a healthier living space. Better airflow can also help manage indoor humidity levels, making your home feel more comfortable year-round. Energy efficiency. For Michigan weather. Taylor, MI experiences cold winters and warm summers, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Modern slider windows are designed with advanced glass options, insulated frames, and tight seals that help minimize drafts and heat transfer. By installing energy-efficient slider windows, homeowners can maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable no matter the season. Increased natural light and open-view. Slider windows are known for their large glass panels, which allow abundant natural light to enter your home. More sunlight can make rooms feel brighter, larger, and more welcoming. This is especially beneficial during Michigan's shorter winter days when natural light is limited. In addition to improved lighting, slider windows offer unobstructed views of the outdoors. Whether you're overlooking a backyard, garden, or neighborhood street, these windows create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Homeowners in Taylor appreciate solutions that are both durable and easy to maintain. Slider windows typically feature fewer moving parts compared to other window styles, which reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues over time. Cleaning is also simple, as many slider windows allow panels to be removed or tilted for easy access. With quality materials and proper installation, slider windows can maintain their appearance and performance for years with minimal upkeep. Enhanced home value and modern appeal. Installing slider windows can instantly update the look of your home. Their clean lines and contemporary design complement a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional homes to modern renovations. Beyond aesthetics, new slider windows can increase your home's overall value. Potential buyers often look for energy-efficient, low-maintenance features, making slider windows a smart investment for Taylor homeowners considering future resale. A smart choice for Taylor, MI home slider windows offer a perfect balance of style, efficiency, and everyday practicality. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, they provide dependable performance, improved comfort, and a modern upgrade that enhances both the look and function of any residence. Whether your goal is better ventilation, lower energy costs, or a brighter living space, slider windows deliver benefits you can enjoy for years to come.